Let's make a double-sided wristlet. I'm not gonna lie, I use a ton of hardware in this one. Take your cotton strip and iron the raw edges into the center. And then take your faux leather strip and you're gonna run some double-sided tape down the center. And then you're gonna stick the raw edges of your strip into the center of the tape. This does not need to be perfect. When you're done, it should look like this. And then take your cotton strip and sandwich those together so no raw edges are showing. Sew with the cotton side up 1/8 from the edge of the cotton strip. And we are almost done. Now just add your metal cap, making sure to clip all your threads before you put it on. Screw down your metal cap, and then once you're finished with that, you'll want to find your swivel clasp and put that on the strip as well. Okay, here's the motion. You want to place your clip at the end where the cap is, fold the cap end up about 1.5 inches, and then sandwich the raw edge of the other end of the strap into the center and then sew it down. Now you can add your rivet. I usually poke my holes one at a time because I find if I do all 3 layers at the same time, it's not even. Secure that with your rivet press and you're done. I'm adding these 2 wallets that I just made, but you can also use these for your keys or anything else.